So what are the advantages of three-phase transformer over three single-phase transformer banks? So the meaning of this one is to produce the three-phase, three single-phase transformers can be utilized. For example, this is a supply R, Y, B, and this is neutral. By using R and a neutral, we can produce it. Nothing but we can produce a one single phase, and by using Y and a neutral, we can produce a single phase, and by using B and a neutral, we can produce another single phase. So this is nothing but a single phase capacity, single phase transformer. All together we can call as single phase capacitor, single phase transformer banks. So three individual transformer is used to produce the three phase supply. So otherwise there is another way, that is nothing but one three phase transformer directly. Only one three phase transformer used for the three phase supply. So what are the advantages of direct three phase transformer over three single phase transformer banks? So the first advantage is uh, I will explain the advantages. So first of all, first one is a three phase transformer occupies less space for same rating of single phase transformer banks. So that is the first advantage. And the second one is weight and the cost is very less, because uh, only this is a three phase transformer. This is for three phase transformer contains ore and winding inside, so that it occupies less space, and also the surrounding of the transformer, nothing but transformer tank. The transformer tank is very less, and core also somewhat less compared to the single phase transformer banks. That's why weight and cost of the transformer is less. And another one is, third one is, efficiency is more than the three phase banks. As we know all that the weight and if the weight decreases, automatically copper losses, iron losses will be decreases, so that efficiency becomes more. And the next one is installation and maintenance cost is smaller than one three phase transformer, because installation of the three phase transformer is only once. I think, but three phase transformer, we need to transport to the three phase transformers only at once only. Otherwise, if you use three single phase transformer banks, you need to install separately one by one. You need to separately install one transformer, and you need to give the connections, and you need to transport another transformer, and you need to give the connections. So these are the extra, nothing but the extra work is required for the three single phase transformers. For the three phase transformer only, because only one three phase transformer is used, so that the installation and maintenance cost is less. And another one is better power factor. So the power factor of the transformer of three phase transformer is better compared to the three single phase capacitor banks. And also some disadvantages also are there. Those disadvantages are advantages of three single phase transformer banks. So another advantage is also available. More power can be transferred by using the three phase transformer when compared to the three single phase transformer banks. So disadvantage is nothing but, first one is uh, three phase transformer. Nothing but all the three phases on in only one transformer, so that larger and that is heavier than the single phase transformer for the transportation. So that transportation is somewhat difficult. So single phase transformer, two people can carry, but a three phase transformer, it's a required huge amount of huge members to shift the transformer from one place to another place. This is the disadvantage of three phase transformer. And repairing is difficult. So this is another one, because all the windings are placed in only one transformer tank, and windings are placed near to each other, so that if you want to change the winding and if you want to replace the winding, all are difficult. So costly when compared to the repairing is costly when compared to the three phase three single phase transformer banks. So and also greater cost standby unit. Nothing but for 1 unit cost of three phase transformer is used, cost is more compared to the three single phase transformers. And in case of breakdown of in any one phase, in three phase transformer, if a breakdown occurs on one phase, the entire unit must be removed from the supply. The entire unit must be removed from the supply. But in the three phase in the three single phase transformer banks, if one phase, for example, if R phase failed, nothing but R phase failed, these R phase is removed, and while B, these two phases can continuously supply to the load with a 57.7% load. Nothing but if one phase of the transformer is fails, the remaining two phases will continuously give the supply to the load. That load is how much? 57.7% load can continuously get the supply with unfaulty phases. Unfaulty phases nothing but B and R, Y and B. So we R phase fails, then Y phase and B phase can give the supply to the load. That load is nothing but 7.7% of load can get continuous supply. These are the advantages and disadvantages of the uh, three phase transformer over single phase transformer.